Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking tomatoes, yes, those juicy little powerhouses, and showing you 5 genius ways to use them beyond the bloody salad. You think you know tomatoes? You lot probably think a tomato is just something to stick between 2 bits of lettuce and drown in ranch. Well, get ready to have your minds blown, because these recipes are going to elevate your tomato game to a whole new level. Let's get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tasty ideas. First up, we're making a delicious, comforting roasted tomato soup. This isn't some watery, bland excuse for a meal. This is a flavor explosion that will warm you from your taste buds to your toes. We're talking about roasting those tomatoes with garlic and herbs until they're practically caramelized. That's where the real magic happens, people. We're going to unlock layers of flavor you never knew existed. And the best part, it's dead simple. Even a donkey could make this soup. So grab your ingredients, put on your aprons, and let's get roasting. Next, let's make a tomato and herb infused oil. This is a game changer when it comes to flavoring dishes. Forget those dusty old dried herbs. We're talking fresh, vibrant flavors straight from the garden. We're going to infuse a beautiful olive oil with garlic, basil, oregano, and of course those gorgeous tomatoes. This isn't just oil, it's liquid gold. Drizzle it over pasta, pizza, or even just dip some crusty bread into it. You'll be amazed at the depth of flavor this simple infusion brings. Chapter 3. Tomato-based pasta sauce. Ditch the jar. If you're a fan of pasta, you have to try making your own tomato-based sauce. Seriously, ditch that jarred rubbish. It's an insult to your taste buds. We're going to make a sauce so fresh, so vibrant, so packed with flavor that you'll never go back. We'll start with ripe, juicy tomatoes, then add some sweetness, a touch of heat, and a whole lot of love. This is the kind of sauce that will have you licking the plate clean. Don't believe me? Try it and see for yourself. If you're enjoying these tips, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends. Chapter 4. Tomato jam, sweet, savory, and utterly addictive. Okay, this one might surprise you, tomato jam. It's the perfect combo of sweet and savory, and it's so versatile you'll be wondering how you ever lived without it. We're talking about slow-cooking tomatoes with sugar, vinegar, and a touch of spice until it reaches a jammy, irresistible consistency. Spread it on toast, serve it with cheese, or pair it with grilled meats. Trust me, this jam is a revelation. Chapter 5. Stuffed tomatoes, impress your guests, and finally, stuffed tomatoes. These make for an awesome appetizer or side dish, and they're perfect for using up those extra tomatoes sitting on your counter. We're talking about hollowing out those tomatoes and stuffing them with a delicious mixture of breadcrumbs, herbs, cheese, whatever your heart desires. Then we're going to bake them to perfection. These stuffed beauties are not only delicious, but visually stunning. They'll have your guests thinking you've become a gourmet chef overnight. You're now a tomato master. So there you have it, 5 genius ways to use tomatoes beyond the salad. Whether you're craving comfort food or something fresh and unique, these recipes will give your tomatoes a whole new purpose. You've learned how to roast them, infuse them, jam them, stuff them. You've conquered the tomato. Now go forth and create some bloody delicious dishes. Let me know in the comments below if you tried any of these. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tasty ideas. See you next time.